Designed to make it your own, the Altitude X is Napoleon's premium full-view fireplace that offers an extensive collection of accessories for ultimate customization. Enjoy the flames to the fullest with unobstructed views and the top accent light to create an illuminating effect. Incorporate your choice of incredibly realistic logs, decorative panels, and surrounds that will enhance the design and ambience of your home. Choose between driftwood, oak, or birch log sets to gather around just like you would with a wood fireplace. Experience more customization with a selection of optional, elegant decorative panels. Add another personal touch with a wide selection of fronts and trims designed for both contemporary or traditional styles. Create a unique design with the optional iron accents that perfectly complement the premium Whitney and Denali fronts. For ultimate control of the Altitude X, use the included remote or Napoleon's own mobile app. Revolutionize the way you use your fireplace using the Bluetooth-enabled eFIRE app to adjust every function of your fireplace. Conveniently using your mobile device, control the top accent light brightness, flame height, blower speed, and more to suit your desired level of comfort. In addition to the included blower, the optional heat management system provides a superior alternative to circulate heat around your home. Plus, enjoy the added benefit of allowing for optimal TV placement above your fireplace to create the ultimate setting to cozy up with loved ones. Providing incredible comfort and customization, the Altitude X is the fireplace for you.